Welcome to Tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to fix McDonald's app monopoly not working issue, including code entering, region, and promo problems.
Fix 1. Update the app. Go to the App Store or Google Play. Make sure your McDonald's app is the latest version. Fix 2. Restart the app. Close the McDonald's app completely. Reopen it and try entering the code again. Fix 3. Clear cache, data on Android. Settings apps McDonald's, storage, clear cache and data. On iPhone, delete and reinstall the app. Fix 4. Check your region. Make sure the Monopoly game is active in your country. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. Your app region must match your physical location. Fix 5. Retch the code type. The code carefully, no spaces, all caps if needed. Don't confuse O with 0 or I with 1. Try scanning the QR code instead of typing manually. Fix 6. Sign out and back and log out of your McDonald's account. Log back in to refresh your rewards and region settings.